Hey Albert, hey track fans, welcome to another top tips, and this tips we're going to learn actually something really basic. It's a lane change. Now you might have saw in my last video it was really heavy on lane change. Just cruising up to it, I've got the button here, yes, lane change. Let's do last lap, track fans. But actually if you've just got yourself a new digital Scalextrics, how do you lane change? Right, I'm going to show you. So firstly what you need is a lane change piece of track. You install that into your track wherever you get. I recommend searching around different online marketplaces. You can get them quite cost effectively, or you can buy them new. It depends on what you want. So nice thing is the paddles move like this as your car drives up, hits the sensor here. You can activate on your controller whether you go straight on or whether you do a lane change. Now it's really easy. Here's your controller. Just make sure you can see this. What you do is as your car drives up to where the sensor is, you press and hold the button, and as he drives up, let's have a go. Oh, missed it. Let's go around again. Hold it. There you go. So as he comes up to it, bam, you've got it. Lane change. And then you go, bam, I've missed it. How did I miss it? Because I got excited watching the race and then I forgot. I didn't change it and I don't want to keep my finger on it. So you could make a marker. Albert, this will help you out, mate. There you go. I know exactly when to hit the button. Right, here we go. Right, you ready? Button, yes, lane change. Button, lane change. Amazing, right. But that's not cool, okay? Can't have this in a race, so we'll get rid of that. Maybe though, you could use something a little bit discreet, a little bit subtle. You can put this wherever you feel comfortable making the lane change button switch. Let's try it out. Here we go. Now, yes. Now, yes. Now, yes. We're doing it, Albert. Lane change. Right then, track fans, that concludes the episode. Have a good one. Try some lane changes. Track fans.